This is the last hand, the third hand under the quints section. So usually the last hand is a concealed hand, but not under the quints. It is not concealed. So it's got a pair of flowers. Remember, that is neutral. It does not have a suit. And then we've got three different colors. We've got one color of quints of ones, a pair of ones in a second color, and then a quints of ones in a third color. So we know that we're going to have all three suits in here. So in the parentheses, it says any three suits. So we knew that. And it says any like numbers. So I can use ones, twos, threes, so on and so forth. So here's an example of this hand, just the way it's written. We've got our flowers. We've got our ones in three different suits. Notice I've got a pair of ones here and quints here. Have to have that joker in there because we only have 4 in each suit of any given number. All right, so another example, of course, we've got our flowers here. I'm going to switch out. For cracks, I'm using 5s this time just to show it doesn't really matter what suit you use where. Okay, so I've got my 5s, I've got my 3 different suits, that's what matters. And then I've got my jokers in here again because I have to. I don't have an extra, I don't have 5 of them. All right, so these are pairs and pairs, so we cannot have jokers in these, but I can switch out jokers if I wanted in these other spots. Okay, and it's best to put your jokers in the middle. So hopefully this helps. Have a wonderful, blessed day.